In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Binance. By the end, you'll confidently move coins like Bitcoin or USDT from your Revolut account into your Binance wallet without headaches. Before we start, make sure you have both apps installed, you're signed in, and you have the cryptocurrency available in Revolut. Withdrawals must be supported in your region, and you may be asked to pass security checks. First, open the Revolut app and tap the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. This brings up your crypto dashboard and balances. Tap Send, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, select Bitcoin if you're sending BTC or USDT if you're sending Tether. Next, choose where you're sending it. Tap Wallet or Exchange, then select Binance as the destination. This tells Revolut you're sending to an external exchange wallet rather than to another user. Now switch over to the Binance app, go to Wallet, tap Deposit and choose Crypto. Search for and select the exact same cryptocurrency you picked in Revolut. On the next screen, make sure the network you choose on Binance matches the network Revolut will use for that coin. For example, USDT can exist on multiple networks like ERC20 or TRC20, and Bitcoin uses the BTC network. If the networks don't match, the funds could be lost, so take a second to confirm this carefully. Once the correct network is selected, copy your Binance deposit address. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers. That's the address unique to your wallet and the network you picked. Head back to Revolut, paste the address into the recipient field, and tap Save so you can reuse it next time. Select the Save Binance wallet, enter the amount you want to send, and tap Review Transfer. Here you'll see a summary of the coin, the network, the recipient address, any fees, and the amount you'll receive on Binance. Take a moment to double check everything. If Revolut prompts you for identity or security verification, complete that step, then tap Send to confirm. That's it, your crypto will be sent to your Binance account. Network confirmations can take a few minutes to longer depending on congestion. You can track the transfer in Revolut under your transaction history and on Binance under deposit history. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Binance wallet, ready for trading or holding.